Hello, V.
Hi, teacher.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
Um, I think I would have to say that I like eating at home rather than out because I enjoy cooking personally. Um, Whenever I have the time, I always prepare my own meals because it's convenience, cheaper, cleaner, and especially is safety. Moreover, uh, eating eating at home allows me the chance to have a homemade taste that I cannot find anywhere else.
What sports are popular in your country?
I think in my country the the most popular sport is soccer, but um, in the morning when I go around my area, I often see a lot of people go jogging to yoga or do aerobic. Some children often play badminton, and some of them play basketball. So, but for me, I would like to choose yoga because yoga have a good shape and uh, and a good health.
Cool. Are bikes popular in your country?
Um, I think in the past, bike are the most popular in the country, but now thanks to the development of transport, um, there are some cars, um, motorbikes, buses on the street. So I think it's convenience and it helps you save the time a lot. Therefore, now car car is not car is unpopular in my country.
City or countryside?
Um, that's uh that's an that's a difficult answer, but I think I like countryside because I like the peaceful. Um, I like um I like the natural, and I don't like the noisy place. But so I prefer to go to my hometown. Is a place is so peaceful and make me relax, straight after a long day.
How has your hometown changed recently?
I would have to say that my hometown have a lot of change. That it has a lot of high building, um, a lot of modern facilities, a lot of landscape that I really like it. That's all.
Very good, V. That was excellent. You know what? What's very great about your answers is that you always give me good, direct information. I
Yes.
like your answers because they answer the question very well. You don't talk about things that are not related to the topic. You talk exactly about the topic and what I want to hear. Very good. Excellent.